Hi, this is electric 6-stand desk. This is a premium model of Purple Arc. What we provide in this model is, we provide actuators which are imported from Europe, and we provide 5-year warranty on the actuators. This model can take 160 kg lifting capacity, and the standard tabletop size which we provide is 1400 into 750 millimeter, that is 4.6 feet into 2.5 feet. In terms of this height, the lowest height is 710 millimeter. From there it can go to another 500 millimeter, that becomes 1210 millimeter. This is the desk panel. By tapping the desk panel like this, it can move up and down. This desk panel offers 4 memory positions. That means you can store 4 favorite positions of yours, and also it has option of Bluetooth. That means you can completely operate this table through mobile app. And it has an option time reminder. That means you can set it up in such a manner that it can remind you to stand up and work. If you need any more information beyond this, please reach out to us through our website or call us. Thank you so much.